Hello, my name is Kathy Wise, and I'm an instructor and also a student here at Marc Adams.
And hi, my name is Stacy, and I am a helper for my mom and also a student here.
This week we are both taking a glass blowing class, and it's only the second time I've taken a class at the school. I've been teaching here for I think 7 or 8 years, so it's quite a nice break to actually be a student instead of an instructor. And my daughter is taking the class with me as well. So it's a nice mother-daughter time.
Yeah, I really enjoy it. It's a great way to spend time with my mom, and especially with her living so far away from me now that I've moved out and grew up. It's a great time, a great chance to spend some time together.
Yeah, so she's 3 hours away from me now, so this is our little vacation together.
Yep.
And we are both doing okay in the glass blowing class, but we're having a great time.
Yep. A couple ornaments blew up on me and look more like pumpkins than ornaments, but it's a really good time.
We're learning a lot, So our little vacation is a wonderful time for us to get away and enjoy our time together and actually create our Christmas presents.
It's a great little family vacation to get away with, you know, family, and it's a really good family environment here. So it's always very welcoming. The food's great. The instructors are very welcoming. Marc is great. So it's always been a great experience coming here as a family and doing this as something we can do together.
And it's much more relaxing taking the class with my daughter rather than her helping me and being bossed around all day. So we're having a great time.
Mm-hmm.